Here we have a 2018 BMW 530d XDRIVE M Sport Touring. Now this vehicle comes with over £5,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention one though, we do have the comfort package. We have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We also have the bluestone metallic paintwork, LED headlights, we have the gloss black front grills, the gloss black front splitter as well. Now this vehicle does have the full performance kit, so as we walk around to the passenger side you'll find the side skirts along the bottom. We have colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the black roof rails. We also have the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. Got the dual exhaust with the rear diffuser. A power operated tailgate as well, which if we press the button on the remote then it will open just like so. Now inside of here you find we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. Got the parcel shelf up there. We do also have a 12-volt connectivity on the right hand side. Coming back out we also have the button. Press this button just here and then the boot will close again like so. Walking back round to the driver's side you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look at the interior, so inside of here you'll find the full black leather interior. We have the foldable armrest in the centre and the fixed ISO points. Also got the vents in the centre for the rear passengers. Electric windows on the doors along with the ambient lighting. We have the same full leather interior at the front. Let's look at them front seats, both of which are heated, also electrically adjustable just there. Got the memory function on the driver's side. Electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear. Automatic lights, we have the automatic wipers. Multifunctional steering wheel, just take a seat inside. You'll find we have the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button and the vehicle will turn on. Got the cruise control and the speedometer on the left hand side. Paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel. And as you can see we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre, full of features that you would have seen on the photos. Quickly going through them though, we have the shortcuts just down here, so it's currently showing the sat-nav. We also have the radio stations just here, along with the media options. As you scroll down you can find the different options just there. Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. Going on to the main menu, if you go onto My Vehicle you find the lights for the interior ambient lighting, plenty of colours which we can go through just here. We also have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Moving further down you find the climate control, got the heated seats on either side along with the ice-cold air conditioning as well, all working as they should do. We have some storage space just inside of here with the cup holders, 12-volt connectivity and a USB port. Automatic gearbox with the different drive modes just here, so if you press onto Eco Pro you find the Eco Pro drive mode. We have Comfort and also Sport. Changes the look of the dashboard for each drive mode as you can see just there. We also have the reversing camera if you put it into reverse with the parking sensors appearing on the screen. Put it back into park just like so. We have the electric handbrake and the auto hold button. Leather armrest in the centre which can be opened up for more storage. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 530d XDRIVE M Sport Touring. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you'd expect it to. As you can see, I'm now to fight the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, now veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now I do have the multifunctional steering wheel which has the paddle shifters on either side. If you want to stick it into manual mode, tap one of the pedals and it will change gear. Got the cruise control and the speedometer buttons on the left hand side, volume buttons on the right. We also have the steering wheel being electrically adjustable with the stalk just down here. We've got the digital dashboard in front of us which can show different displays that you'll see on the photos. And if you do listen carefully as well throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We've got the full leather interior which is very comfortable, easy to do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also electrically adjustable, again that adds to that comfort level, and they're also both heated, perfect for these cold winter mornings. Now we have plenty of features on the main infotainment screen. It's currently showing the sat nav, but you would have seen all the other features on the photos and also the walk around video. We have the ambient lighting, which runs all throughout the vehicle. Looks really nice, especially at night time. We also have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. The automatic gearbox as well, with all the different drive modes. The climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. Now in a moment we're about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency stop and put the car into reverse, just so that the brakes work as they should do. So put our right indicator on now, start to slow down and wait for the traffic to pass before making the right hand turn onto the industrial park. This car is letting me go. So perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the car into reverse, and we have the reversing camera appear on the screen along with the parking sensors. Back into drive with no issues whatsoever. If this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with waiting for some inquiries of you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.